Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil part of Boggle Socks TV. My name's Andrew and this is
Tor.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw
A friendly ghost.
a friendly ghost. I hope you enjoy our tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget, if you want to receive notifications, to
Hit the bell button in the face because it beats me up. But don't break the screen.
Yes, shall we get started?
Yes.
Okay, let's begin. Okay, so what we're going to do first of all is we're going to get a light green pencil, something like that, okay?
This is different now.
It's different from usual, yeah, okay, because we want our ghost to look like it's glowing, okay? Now what we're going to do is in the middle, we're going to kind of draw a circle, but we're going to stop 3/4 of the way. So we're going to go like that, and do a big circle, and then stop about there, like that. Okay, you got that? Right, the next thing to do is we need to do the arms, okay? So what I'm going to do is just here, I'm going to do a curved line, just about here, okay? Kind of almost like a wing. So I'm going to do a curved line like that, okay? That's great, Tom. Okay, and then I'm going to do like another curved line, sort of going towards that point, like that. Okay? So from this side here, from this side, going up.
Wait.
So, watch, move your hands away, see? So look, we've done that line that way, we're doing another line this way, so we're starting from there to there. That's it?
That?
Yep, perfect. And then what we're going to do is we'll do like a little curve that kind of goes round for where his hand would have been, okay?
Yeah, but now he's dead. He only
Exactly.
has like
Little wavy bits, yeah?
like that.
Okay, so see this curve here? I'm just going to take it out a little bit so it's kind of got like a little tail. So I'm going to take it out like that. Okay, so it's kind of like a diagonal line coming off. That's it. And then I'm going to do some wiggles like this, so it joins up like that. Okay.
Mine looks kind of like yours right now.
It's looking great, yeah. It's looking exactly like mine. So here, if you look, that's where the arm is. If we put our finger across, that's where the next arm should start. So I'm going to do a little diagonal line like that on that side.
Right now it's like his lollipop.
Yeah, okay, so he's going to be holding a lollipop, but let's draw his face first of all. So
Yeah.
here and here, let's do some big round eyes like that, okay? And then we're going to do some reflections in the eye, so I'm going to do a curve in that corner and a curve in that corner, yeah, and then on the opposite side I'm going to do another curve there and another curve there, like that. Okay, and then let's give him a nice smiley mouth. So I'm going to do a curve going around like that. Okay, that's great. And then I'm going to do his tongue sticking out. So I'm going to do like a U shape coming out. So in the
Like
corner.
he's gonna go ready to lick his lollipop.
Yeah, we haven't drawn the lollipop yet, but yeah, he's going to be licking his lollipop. Okay, and then do a little line in there with a crease in his tongue.
Yeah, not like your tongue because it has lots of cracks.
Mine's got lots of cracks in it, yeah, it has. Right, are we going to give him little bits of lick and spit?
Yes!
Yeah, so we're doing like a little teardrop shape here where there's
Yeah,
a
like
little bit
he's
of spit
crying out of his tongue.
out of his tongue, okay.
But that's actually spit.
Yeah, because he's like that. Can't wait to eat his lollipop. Okay, so see where that line was up there?
Yes!
I'm going to start to draw a circle and then I'm going to stop. So I'm going to go round like that, and then when I get to there I'm going to stop like that.
Okay.
And then I'm going to do a curve like that.
Like that?
Yeah, and then I'm going to, see that little corner
Yeah.
there? I'm going to draw a straight line going down. So that's the stick of the lollipop.
Oh, that's a stick.
Yeah. So I'm going to put an extra one in. You don't have much space, but I'm going to put an extra bit in like that.
Me too.
Okay.
I can still Take mine.
Okay, and just under here I'm going to do like a wibbly wobbly line for the rest of his arm. You don't need to do that, you haven't got space, okay?
No, I can do a little one
Okay.
peeking through.
Okay then. And then here, I'm going to draw a big circle for
now he has his arm.
his giant lollipop, like that.
Now
Okay.
mine has his arm.
All right. So that's where his hand is. So just up there, we'll do a big circle for the lollipop. Okay.
I did his arm quite like not like.
All right. So inside here, I'm going to do a big spiral shape for the colour of the candy inside, like that. And I'm going to use bright colours. Okay. You doing that?
Oh, like you're gonna get hypnotized.
Yeah, like you're going to be hypnotised. So you're going to put some of those colours in there. So you can use whatever colours you like, but use some different bright colours.
Yeah, I'm using green.
Okay.
Wait,
Green
is
and
that
pink will go
green?
well together.
Wait, is this green?
That is green, yeah.
Ah!
Okay, so before we start colouring him in, we're just going to use the black to make him stand out a bit more.
Oh, you
okay?
mean like the sky?
We will do the sky black, but first of all there's some things to do on him. So first of all, in the middle here, I'm going to do some black, like a black circle in there, but some bits of it will be missing because of the reflections. Yeah? And see where the hand is touching the stick?
Yeah.
I'm going to go over that bit and then draw down.
I think I should go over all of my hand on that
Okay.
side because it looks right now not a hand, army and hand.
Okay then, all right. Okay, so on the underside of this arm, I'm going to do some black, like that.
Yeah, I'm going to colour his whole actual body bit black.
Okay.
And then make a little bit of green around him so it doesn't just look like...
You see from here where the arm, the left arm, to the tail, I'm going to do that line black. I'm going to go over it in black. Okay. Okay, that's good. And then see the mouth? I'm going to go over that in black as well, just to make that stand out a little bit more.
The dribble isn't a part, but it isn't like
That's okay.
well, it is a part of his like mouth.
Yeah, okay.
It's been in his mouth.
Yeah. So see this corner here of his eye there?
Yeah.
I'm going to draw that in dark blue. Colour it in dark blue like that.
Oh, dark blue.
Yep, just in there.
Wait, which one's dark blue?
This one?
Okay. Oh, okay.
And then this side, this bit, I'm going to use the light blue. Like that. Okay? That should make his eyes look nice and shiny. And I'm looking for a different colour blue. Let's try this one. And see, we do this bit and that colour blue are different.
Okay.
That kind of looks the same, but it's very similar to that blue. It's okay.
Yes,
Yeah?
kind of looks the same.
Okay. Oh, I forgot to do that bit in that blue colour. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah?
And that bit.
I need to do that bit, yeah, I forgot. I'm glad I've got you around to remind me. Okay.
Yes.
And then I'm just going to go around this in black.
You're like, I
make
already
it-
did.
You've already done that, have you?
Yeah, I think you should do all.
Yeah, and then I'll just do a black line in there like that. And let's do another black line there. Okay, so let's colour in. Wow, what an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. That is awesome. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. And if you did, subscribe to our channel and press the bell button if you'd like to receive notifications. I'd also like to announce our amazing competition.
To win this book, How to Draw Animals.
If you'd like to win this fantastic prize, follow us on our Facebook page, which is
Magic Pencil Art Kids.
Send in your pictures and the lucky winner will win this book. Thank you for watching and we look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.